Alright, let's try this ultrasonic toothbrush with the wire brush on the tight faces. Well, it's making some noises. I'm not sure it's doing a whole lot. Let's put some Lycocenter on here. So it's making a lot of noises down here, but doesn't really seem to be vibrating those bristles like I thought it would. It's definitely vibrating up here. You can feel it. But I'm not sure it's really getting to the wire brush tips of vibration. Well, it feels like it. Alright, well, I was going to try something inventive. I'm not sure this is the best thing in the world, but you don't know until you try. Typewriter, good day.